Moisturizing conditioner. This conditioner for dry hair helps smooth roughness and control frizz. An anti-frizz and moisturizing conditioner with a non-greasy formula. Nourishment conditioner for frizzy hair. Used regularly, this conditioner progressively cares for hair at the deepest level with continuous use. Nutri-Oils. Formulated with Dove Nutri-Oils, a unique blend of weightless oils, this moisturizing conditioner immediately helps to eliminate frizz while deeply nourishing your hair from within. Anti-Frizz hair products. The Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy hair treatment system leaves hair soft and manageable without being greasy or weighed down. Anti-Frizz Nourishment. With a formula that's suitable for everyday use, Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy Dry Hair Conditioner is designed with two-way care to progressively nourish your hair. Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Apply this moisturizing conditioner to your mid-lengths and ends, and then rinse. Pair with Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy Shampoo for best results. Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy Series. The Dove Nutritive Solutions Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy System helps to smooth up to 100% of roughness. The Dove Difference. Dove has always drawn inspiration from real, diverse women. We celebrate real beauty, which we define as feeling and looking your best. Tame Frizzy Unruly Hair. This collection contains a rich blend of argan, coconut, and almond oils that work to instantly reduce frizz without weighing hair down. Dove Care goes beyond your hair. This shampoo conditioner are certified cruelty-free by PETA. The bottles are made from recycled plastics and are recyclable. Top reviews from the United States. Work wonderfully, recommended to anyone. Don't really matter the hair type, this shampoo and conditioner works amazing, on damaged hair, on straight hair, on coarse curly hair, on really tangled hair. Only thing would be better was if it was cheaper. House of 8 tends to make it evaporate quite quickly.